Hello, this is Eric at Print Show at Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back seat, where you have your rear kind of jumper seats, which do have a removable cushion, revealing a storage box underneath. This one happens to have your hitch in it. The other, I think, is just for storage. And you do have a 12-volt power outlet there in the middle. Looking in the front, you do have power windows and power mirrors and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, so you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information with distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy for said trip, and digital speedometer. You can also look at your fuel economy separately, all of that information, your truck info, so your power distribution, your driver assistance features, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Do also have your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stalk there. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You also have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Moving down from that, you have your hazards and then your climate controls and media controls here, again with dual zone front climate. You also have two 12-volt power outlets and two USBs down there, so you can plug something into power charge. And then you have your auto start stop shut off, your tow haul mode, your traction control shut off, and your 4x4 selector. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have your parking brake, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside for anything that you would want to put in there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.